Sí, tengo dos cabrones aquí. No.
This reminds me of a joke. This guy comes in a bar, walks up to the bartender. He says, "Bartender, I got me a bet for you. I'm gonna bet you $300 that I can piss into that glass over there and not spill a single solitary drop." The bartender looks at this glass, and then we're talking about like this glass is like a good 10 feet away. He says, "No, wait, let me get this straight. You're trying to tell me you're gonna bet me $300 that you can piss standing over here, way over there, into that glass and not spill a single drop?" The customer looks at him and says, "That's right." Bartender says, "Young man, you got a bet." The guy goes, "Okay, here we go, here we go." Pulls out his thing. He's looking at the glass, man. He's thinking about the glass. He's thinking about the glass. Glass. He's thinking about the glass. Glass. Thinking about his dick. Dick glass. Dick glass. Dick glass. Be the glass. Dick glass. Dick glass. Dick glass. And then he lets it rip. And he's pissing all over the place, man. He's pissing on the bar. He's pissing on the stools, on the floor, on the phone, on the bartender. He's pissing everywhere except the fucking glass, right? Okay. So, bartender, he's laughing his fucking ass off. He's $300 richer. He's like, ha 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 ha, piss dripping off his face. This is you fucking idiot, man. You got it in everything except the glass. You owe me $300, punta. Guy goes, "Excuse me, just one second." Goes in the back of the bar. In the back, there's a couple guys playing pool. He walks over to them. Comes back to the bar. Goes, "Here you go, Mr. Bartender. $300." And the bartender's like, "What the fuck are you so happy about? You just lost $300, idiot." The guy says, "Well, see those guys over there? I just bet them $500 a piece that I could piss on your bar, piss on your floor, piss on your phone, and piss on you. And not only would you not be mad about it, you'd be happy."